But moving on, a viewer again. This is Swati here. She's a long-term investor. Sharmila, she wants your view on IREDA. She has 500 shares at a price of 172. She wants to know whether she should continue to hold for the long term or sell.
So I think, this was a stock that when we had a lot of news flow on this, we saw it go to great levels, and then it corrected with the rest of the pack. But I think, that at current valuations, if you're patient, I think you should stay put, because now the valuations are reasonable. I do think that the stock may be correct a tad bit from here, but now I think the worst is in the price. And I would look at levels of around 185 on the stock. So keeping that in mind, I think for me the stock is a good.
All right, a hold call coming in on IREDA, but let's move on to the next content. This one's coming from the metal pack. Now, this is Rajesh Gupta who's writing in from Delhi. He wants to invest in the metal stocks, and he's identified Hindustan Copper and Hindustan Zinc as the silver prices are hitting record high levels. Sharon, let me come to you for this one. From the metal pack, Hindustan Copper, Hindustan Zinc, are these good plays? He's identified two stocks, or if not, then what would be your suggestion?
So Ankita, definitely if you compare both, I would suggest go for Hindustan Copper, even on fundamental terms. Whenever markets open and after the tariff deal, copper will see a good price movement on the upside, and this stock will obviously react to it. So if you want to compare these stocks, I would always suggest go for Hindustan Copper. It is an industrial product, copper, and its uses also are very important for all industries. So stick to Hindustan Copper. You can accumulate at current rate. Actually, the stock is looking very nice at current prices. Immediate targets can be around 285 to 310. And even if you have a position, I would suggest on hold on Hindustan Copper.
Okay, so a whole call coming for Hindustan Copper. So the next question is from Krish, who is writing to us about L&T. He has 100 shares at a price of 3,640 rupees. He's been holding them since January 2024. He wants to know whether he should continue to hold for the long term or shift to any other mid-cap stock. Sharmila?
Well, I would really hold on to Larsen. I think that given the fact that the stock has sort of corrected and it's at the valuation that it's at, and as I mentioned a little while earlier, I do think that this space capital goods space and infra space will see sort of more orders coming in hopefully over the next 7-8 months. And given Larsen's track record, as well as they that way in that sense are not limited to the Indian sort of order book, but they have order books. They have orders from all over. From different countries, continents, etc. So given that, as well as the current valuation of the stock, I think from a longer term perspective, this would be a sort of a preferred portfolio stock for me over a lot of the other mid cap.